The Shur on Tefilla, we got to Tefilla David, page 230 on the Sidurim. Now, we asked HaKadosh Baruch Hu something unbelievable, the Tefilla that we daven. I don't know how much we pay attention to what we are saying, but we say, Horeni Hashem Tefilla David, say, Horeni Hashem Darchecha, Ahalech Ba'ametecha, Yachad Kollel Hashemecha, Yodecha Hashem B'chol Aviv, V'Amad Hashem Ha'olam. It's interesting. We daven for a lot of things. At this point, David HaMelech is saying, Horeni Hashem, teach me, Hashem, Darchecha, your way. Ahalech Ba'ametecha, that I should walk in your truth. Very important tefillah. Yachad Levavi, unify my heart, Li Hashemecha, to feel your name. Yodecha Hashem Elokai B'chol Levavi, I will thank you, my Master Hashem, my God, with all my heart. V'achabed Hashem Ha'olam, and I will honor your name forever. They were here, David HaMelech is teaching us that a lot of times we daven for Parnasa, for Refuah, for Geula, for redemption. But one of the most important davening is praying to HaKadosh Baruch Hu is, Horeni Hashem Darchecha. Hashem, you should teach me your derech, Ahalech Ba'ametecha, that I should go in your truth. It's unbelievable to feel. A lot of times in our life, we get confused, we miscalculate, we don't understand the reality of life, we lose it. It's interesting that right now we are coming from Sukkot, and in Sukkot we said Hallel every day. It's interesting, in Hallel we say Anna Hashem Hushiana, Anna Hashem Hatzichana. First we ask HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Hushiana, send us salvation. Then we ask for Hatzlacha, progress in life. Very interesting, salvation and progress in life. Obviously, you need salvation and then get to progression, Hatzlacha, to improve, to progress in your life. But there is a deeper meaning just from just simple meaning of that. Hashem explained, when we say Hashem Hushiana, salvation, one salvation from Hashem. What does salvation really mean? You're asking HaKadosh Baruch Hu, give us salvation from the Tefilla. Give us salvation from the power, evil power. Why? Because as long as you are in territory of Yetzer Hara and evil power, our Hatzlacha is illusion and delusion. It's not right Hatzlacha in life. Our perspective, our way of thinking about life, the way that we understand to put all of kochot, all of energy, all of power is illusion, is delusion. It's not right and proper. First we ask HaKadosh Baruch Hu, before asking Hatzlacha, Hoshiana, save me, give me salvation. Give me salvation from Yetzer Hara. Then once I had salvation from Yetzer Hara, I could think properly. I could see life in the perspective, right perspective. Then I would know what's Hatzlacha in life. I was talking to parents, and their child is a little bit challenging, and Baruch Hashem, everything's good. But it's not the child that they wanted. They wanted the child to be smarter, to have a higher IQ, and that they felt Hatzlacha in life. Hatzlacha in life. Now, they are very disappointed. They can't make peace with themselves. And they are not grateful, and that's draining them. See, I heard once from a gadol, there was a birth of two children. One child was very healthy, good, from a very rich family. They made such a celebration of the Brit Milah. It's unbelievable. Half the town were there. They're very, very elaborated. And the other one, the child was not so normal. And there was a very big question about the child. The rabbi encouraged them to have it be, that's a very HaKadosh Baruch Hu Hashem wants. And the child was born simple, Brit Milah, and everything went very simple. But now, throughout the years, let's fast forward till Bar Mitzvah. Throughout the years, this rabbi was encouraging the family about that child that wasn't 100%, help him out, to get therapy, and all of the family mobilized together to help this child. And they helped him. Now, fast forward by Bar Mitzvah. Listen to this. The one that he made such elaboration, he had a normal child, very good, such a big party, comes to the Shiva and says that I can't understand my son. It's making my life miserable. I wish I didn't have it. Is there any tefillah to Daven that to terminate in Chas That the way that comes to the Shiva. And the other one makes a bar mitzvah for his son. Bar mitzvah of 13 years of working, all family together, brothers, sisters, to help him out, get him to the destination that he should get. You should see the nacha, you should see the love, you should see the happiness and joy that the family had. Therefore, what we call hatzlacha, what we don't call hatzlacha, is salvation from Yetzer Hara. Lot of times, Yetzer Hara, in the territory of Yetzer Hara, the greatest blessing becomes the greatest klala. You think it's greatest klala. But all depends on perspective, the way that we look at it, the way that we handle it. HaKadosh Baruch Hu just sends bracha. You have to understand, you have to look at it. That's why we say, Hoshiana, then Haskana. Because as long as I don't have Yeshua from Yetzer Hara, I'm not going to have Hatzlacha in my life. Because everything Yetzer Hara knocks it down, makes it curse. The greatest blessing becomes cursed with Yetzer Hara. That's the way that Torah does. That's why the Melech says in this Tefilla, Horeni Hashem Darchecha, teach me your ways. Teach me your ways. Not that give me this and that. More important than give me panos or give me this. No, Horeni Hashem Darchecha, teach me your ways. Because no matter what you give me, no matter what happens in my occasional life, should be very healthy, very much wealthy, very much progression and everything. But Yetzer Hara makes a curse out of it. If I'm not understanding your ways, teach me your ways. That I should walk in your truth. Unify my heart. Not let my heart be broken. Let not my heart be all over after greed, after jealousy, after arrogancy. And then that makes me to be a different person, doesn't let me enjoy my blessings in life. Unify my heart. To have fear of your name. Once you unify my heart is not all over, it's not torn all over. It's unified. Unified to be Eved of Hashem, to be fear you. Then Hashem. Once that happens to me, then I'm thankful to you, my master. Right now I'm not, because I didn't learn your ways. I didn't unify my heart with your feet. Once I do that, I thank you, I will honor your name forever. But that is the tefillah that we are doing every day. That's a true tefillah. Tefillah that makes a person to be a true Eved of Hashem.